What's going on, Blaze Nation? NVBC here today, bringing you a software review. If you did not know, the Elgato released a next-gen capture card, and it's the Elgato Game Capture HD60, which allows you to record in 1080p, 60 frames per second, and that means the software released today. So us people that don't want to upgrade right at the beginning of this new product, we can go ahead and get the software. If you do not know how to do this, I'm going to go ahead and show you. You need to open Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, whatever you use as your main provider of internet browser, and you would go to Google, type in Elgato HD60, and you would go to the game capture, elgato.com, and all you have to do is go to download support, and you will get the Elgato software that is the newest updated version. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like, what the new features are and stuff. So if you don't have it, go ahead and download it, and you know how to do the rest. So let's open this bad boy up. It's going to take a couple seconds. It's detecting my signal for my Xbox. Alright, so once you're into the software, you can see it just looks a lot prettier. Basically, they changed the knobs and made it look a little bit more sleek and just all around a better program. A few things that they did change is in the program itself. I'm going to go ahead and note these out. And the input, that's where you're going from your Xbox to the Elgato. That's what you're getting as resolution, 1920 by 1080 with 59.94 frames per second. The output, which is 1920 by 1080, 29.97 frames per second. This is because that the Elgato was initially made for 30 frames per second devices. So if you want to record in pure 60 frames per second, you have to upgrade, but I don't think there's that big of a difference right now, but I might upgrade later down the road. There's only one thing that I noticed that's different throughout the settings and everything, is instead of it being, I forget what it was called, but this box right here needs to be checked to sync your video with your audio. So if you want to do a live stream or live commentary throughout the program, you want this box checked. It'll make it sync. I don't know why you have to have that checked. It converts it and keeps it to the aspect ratio or something. I'm not exactly sure how that works, but make sure you tick this box. And the picture, audio, profiles is new too. This is if you have a bug. You can name your profile and it will get your specs, and you can copy it and paste it on forums, and that way people can understand what's really going in between the hardware and the computer itself, why it's crashing. So if you have issues with your Elgato, you can copy and add a profile, and someone can look through your specs. And in advance, this is TV compatibility. You don't want to change this unless you have some issues. On the Elgato page, website, it shows you what this really does. I'm not going to explain it because I really don't mess with it and I don't need to know. If you want more info, you can click this box. So that's everything on there. Game audio is basically the same. They just made it look cooler. The live streaming icon, they changed this. I didn't know if you could go all the way up to 8. I only kept mine on like 2. I never streamed from this. I do have my account linked to it. The live commentary, there's nothing new on it except for if you go to the automatic reduce game sound, you can mess with the thresholds and the whatever that is. I don't know what that is, but you can mess with that, and that's basically everything, guys, for this besides the stream command. This is a really big thing. Where this is such a new software, it kind of crashes sometimes, so bear with me. If it does crash, I apologize. I'll pause it and we'll fix it as soon as possible. You can add your webcam and you can add your picture, your stream overlay. You just drag it up to the right corner, boom, and then you would go back to your webcam. I don't know how to go back to my webcam. Okay, there you go. You go to your webcam. Sorry about that, guys. You would big it up as much as you need it, and you would click that for it to go behind the stream overlay. And it actually has a settings button if you want to tweak your camera settings, but I'm actually using one on my laptop right now. I actually have a really good one. Just don't have enough slots at the moment for my components. And if you want to mess with that settings, you can click right there, mess with everything you need to. So once you're done with that, you want to click the box and make it go back there, save changes, and now you'll have your stream overlay. The only thing that I've noticed that is a downfall right now, once you record with this, it doesn't the Elgato software itself doesn't save your stream overlay and your webcam. I'm not exactly sure why. Maybe it's a bug because it's early stages of this program, but if it does get it down, it will definitely destroy OBS, because everything right here is what you need. I mean, if it all works out fine, then why not use it? But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and delete this because last time I tried doing this tutorial it crashed on me, so I'm going to go ahead and exit it out. Save the changes. You can actually add if you're away from the your stream, you can add other pictures saying you're away, etc. But yeah, that's pretty much everything on this program. You can stream. There's a Twitch button now and a live commentary button if you want to stream over your videos. As you can see, my sound my webcam is picking it up, or my mic. But that's pretty much everything on the software review, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and definitely share the video. Anyway, this is NVBC out. Have a nice day.